Well, hi there. Today on Bob's EV Garage, I got this from Kmart. It was $19 and it is a AI smart selfie phone stand, 360 phone stand. This tracks your face based on the phone camera's input to it via Bluetooth. Now, I saw this on the shelf and I was like, I've got to have it. I've got to have it. So, I have it. Let's have a look inside the box. As you can tell, I've already opened it up, but we'll do some of those unboxing vibes. Inside we've got, the manual's not this crumpled up usually, but this pretty much just tells you where to get the app and how to turn on the device and set up the phone in the device. But yeah, I'll show you the app. It is the Live 360. And here's our device. We got just a power button, the phone clamp, which just extends out like this. It's on an elastic kind of thing. It pivots back and forth. And I should also note right now that it has a lot of play. And this means that any wind or anything, vibrations or anything that could disturb the phone and make the video look bad, will transmit straight through here because it has so much slack in it. So I reckon that'll be a problem for us, but we'll see. Nothing else in the box. This uses AAA batteries, and it's a fairly standard setup. I've already put the batteries in, but I'll show you how to do that. Just a small Phillips head screwdriver. Actually, I think these are AA batteries. I take it back here. They're AA's. I was trying to put some rechargeable ones in there, but we've run out of them for some reason, which is so annoying. They're so useful. Yeah. So 3 AA batteries. Take these out. Actually, no. We need. Okay. Yeah. So very simple, and then this cover just slides back on. You've got to match it up because the hole with the mounting screw has to kind of line up there. There we go. Let's give it a go before we take it apart, because I don't want to take it apart and then it never work again. So, to turn it on, I just hold down the power button and the light comes on. Just so you know, if you press the power button just once, the moving feature starts, but it just kind of turns around. It doesn't really do much. I should note, the motor is silent. There's no noise there, very slow and with a reasonable amount of torque. So it's definitely got a gearbox in there. And I was surprised because I couldn't hear any of the gears, so they've probably put grease inside the gearbox to make it a lot more smooth. Anyway, another press and it turns off that self-moving feature. I'm going to set the phone up in this and we're going to have a go filming. Howdy. So I'm going to move my head to the side and then wait. Hold on, let's do a bigger move. Ready? Oh, we tricked it. Yeah, I don't think it's... Oh, okay. Oh, no. Oh, no. No! There was something wrong with this. This is so bad. Hold on. Yeah, no, this doesn't work, guys. This is so bad. I don't recommend it. But we still get to see inside it. Let's do it. Okie dokie, let's take it apart. Incredible. This is more simple than I could have possibly imagined. So, on this circuit board here, we've got a Bluetooth controller device. Look, I'm going to try and bring it up, but I don't want to damage this. We've got a Bluetooth controller. You can see the little antenna on the circuit board there. And it looks like we've got a motor driver integrated circuit over here. And so the two just communicate, and I'd assume it's a H bridge. That'd make sense. It's not exactly clear, I'll be honest. This could even be a microcontroller actually, because I'm seeing programming pins here. Very interesting little device. Only 2 connectors, one for the batteries, one for the motor. And the motor's just a very tiny little thing. It's, yeah, probably a 3-volt motor. These are very common things for, like, CD drives and stuff. And you see there's a gearbox there, and literally nothing else. This is like the simplest device in all history. No, but that's pretty cool. I was hoping for a little bit more that we could actually look at, but you know, that's the way with these cheap things. I spent $19. I wouldn't expect to get heaps of electronics, though that would be nice at some point. So yeah, I'll take some photos of this. You can see them in the description. Either way, I'll put it back together and we can have another mess around with it, see if we can get it working a bit better. Here we go, I've set it up again. Can it see my face? We shall see. It cannot see my face. Tried to set it up so it focuses on my face. I think that this does not even work, honestly. Like, I really don't think it does. It worked when the camera's not on, but for some reason when it's recording, it doesn't work. Okay. Here we go. Oh, it's a bit glitchy. But it follows me. Oh. Are we going the full 360 now? What's happening? Hello? Guys, this is so bad. I would not rely on this for a YouTube video. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have any comments, anything interesting, any suggestions for future videos, let me know down there. Like and subscribe if you like this content and you want me to do more. Have a great day. Bless you.